big fuss up there. You get a big hair in your mouth. Okay, ready? You ready, Graham?
Yep.
Here we go. Good job! That's the biggest one he's done.
And now go back.
Good job. Empty
Hi,
mouth.
mommy. Oh, let him go.
Wow! Good job! Mwah! You're so smart.
And what was that, Heather?
This is his walking for the first time.
And when is it?
What?
When is it?
April 19th? April
April
19th.
April 19th.
See? Here you
You
go.
wanna go again? Go see Grammy?
One more time and then we'll put you to bed.
My legs are getting tired. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! That's a big one.
Good for you.
Yeah, he's tired
Good
too.
for you. Oh, that's